Use the triangle to work with a mesh. Use the controller's trigger to draw shapes in the air. You can draw squares or triangles. I'm going to work with a sketch that I've already started. Once you've drawn a shape in the air, move your controller close to one of the edges to draw a new face attached to that edge. Use your controller's grip to move points you've already drawn. Just like when drawing in the air, when drawing an attached shape, you can draw squares or triangles. By default, when the point you're drawing gets close to an existing point, it will snap to it. To make the snap happen over a greater distance, move the snap radius slider all the way up. To turn off snapping completely, move the snap radius slider all the way down. To delete a point you've already drawn, use the eraser. Press and hold the trigger to preview the points that will be deleted. When you delete a single face, only that face will be deleted. If you delete a point, everything attached to that point will be deleted. Finally, use the color wheel to change the color of the shapes you draw. You can always change them again while painting, but it's often faster to set the base color first. Once you're satisfied with the way your mesh looks, you can erase your sketch. And you're ready to start painting.